Welcome back, guys. It's Dr. Mike, and I'm a physical therapist providing tips on how to build strength and longevity with your body. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can fix an elevated rib, which might be causing you some neck pain or even some arm pain. Now, often when we sleep in the wrong position, or maybe because we're on our devices like computers for so long, what tends to happen is that first rib actually can be elevated. It can be elevated because a lot of the tissue of the neck, specifically the muscles, some of the scalenes in the neck that attach to that first rib up top here, pull that first rib and elevate it up, which is very important because we have a lot of neurovascular tissue, a lot of nerves that run through the neck into the shoulder and into the arm. So whenever that rib becomes elevated, a lot of those muscles all become stiff and tight, which can cause entrapment of a lot of the nerves in the arm, which can lead to numbness in the hand. But most importantly, it leads to a lot of discomfort in the neck area. So maybe you slept wrong, or maybe you have been on your computer for extended amounts of time. This is going to be an easy exercise that you can use to help release tension in the neck. So what we're specifically trying to do here, if you take a look at this skeleton model here, is that first rib attaches to the vertebrae as well as wraps all the way around into the sternum there. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to use something like a yoga strap or a belt that you might have at home to essentially help release tension. So if I'm going to release the left rib here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the yoga strap around my neck just like so. So notice that it's kind of going across my body, and it really will be important because this is the line of force that the belt is going to be applying. So at an angle here, and all I'm going to do here is with both hands here, I'm going to push my hands down into the belt, and what that's going to create is depression or pushing the first rib downward to help really lock that rib in place. And now I'm going to actively move my neck. And so essentially I'm tacking those muscles down as I'm moving the tissue by moving my neck and rotating my neck. So you'll use the belt once again. We'll wrap it around the rib. This is normally the side that's going to be giving you the most pain, okay? And that's kind of set up at the middle of my shoulder, okay? Just like so. And I'm gonna use my hands to depress on that first rib, and now I'm going to actively go through some motions of the neck. So we can go through some side rotation just like that. I can go away from that first rib, but I can also go towards that first rib to see if I have any more sensitivity. I can also add in some rotation, moving away from that side, as well as moving towards that side. And maybe if you really want, you can even add in some flexion and extension. And if you happen to notice maybe your arm is going numb, just take the pressure off with the belt. Give yourself maybe 20 or 30 seconds to reset and reposition that belt to try this again. This is an easy technique you can use maybe when you're traveling, and can easily take a yoga strap with you in your bag just in case you need to give yourself some relief on the go. Either way, when you're performing this, you can use this for anywhere between 2 minutes at a time, and you only need to do it 1 or 2 times a day when your neck or maybe your arm is giving you some issues. So give that a try. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like and a thumbs up. If you want more information on how to build strength and longevity with your body, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.